Hello traders, this is Ivan speaking. We've been not here on Friday last week, so it is now Monday, late here, more few hours until the end of American session. So it will be a quick video. Please stay tuned. 3 minutes, you will get 3 fantastic products at a very special, unique price. First one is the latest indicator strategy, Forex. It is in live trade. I will not explain many how to use it. I explained in previous videos. Go to YouTube, my channel YouTube. You will see it. This is a trend indicator, not repainted. 2 MAs, slow and quick. 2 MACDs, quick and slow. And first of all, you are waiting for arrow, then crossing of quick MA over the slow. Also red quick MACD must cross over the blue and cross this red line, and blue must cross blue line. So this is the rules. For more, as I said, please go to my web channel, web page to see more how to use it. Then we have fantastic MS-16 trader, which is based on my private strategy. And my private strategy is automated now. You see latest trades. It is taking trade itself. And the most popular new system now is latest version of Omega Turbo Trader V25. I explained too many times to explain again quickly. You trade only with small arrows which are not repeated. So for example, when you see small white arrow, you just check if you are in buy direction. White small arrows are not repeated, but they must have before big one, and small one is confirmation and trigger when you exit, when you enter the trade. You can keep it until the end of trend. So when you see black opposite arrow, big or small, you exit the trade. This is manual. If you want to trade without indicators, there is only expert advisor, or you can use both indicators and expert advisors. This is one example of both, and this is example when you have only trader. Of course, you can use only indicator, then you will not see expert advisor here. You can use it on all assets. Everything is possible, from M5 up, bitcoins, cryptos, stocks, indices, whatever you like to trade. You see US dollar index here. Uber has opened the trade, I don't know, few hours ago or so. So all this in one screen, indicator and expert advisor. So guys, this time you get this expert advisor and indicator with another MS-16 trader, so 2 expert advisors and 2 indicators, and this indicator for one unique price of only 99 euro. 99 euro, 4 products, plus 5 licenses. It is valid 24 hours from now, so until tomorrow at the same time. So you pay practically each one 24.5 euros. So 99 First one is Fortex. Second one product is MS16 Trader. Third one is indicator, Omega indicator, these arrows. Forget this. We can remove it, so this is only indicator. And the fourth one is Expert Advisor. Sorry. It is only Expert Advisor here. Or if you want to have both, you will get template for both. So these 4 products. Here you have 2, 1, 1. 4 products for 99 euros. You can see here, you save, this is practically 90% discount, 85%, because Fortex is 155, Omega Turbo Trader is 289, this is already 450, this is Omega indicator only, this is 640, and plus the fourth product is, where is it? This, so this is exactly about nearly 900 euro, all 4. But you get all 4 for only 99 plus 5 licenses. Usually you get only 2 licenses when you buy it directly from my webpage. But today, 99 euro plus 5 licenses. The only condition is, guys, that you are a subscriber of my YouTube channel. So if you are not, it's easy, click, because if you are not, forget. I am making promos only for my subscribers. So 99 euro for 4 fantastic, accurate products, 2 expert advisors, and 2 indicators. Have a nice day, bye-bye.